This guy has so little power, he can't roll his windows up.
Lower your load. Lower your load.
We gotta jump it again.
Lower your load.
We're just having fun, all right? Keeping things chill, we're having fun. All right?
So annoying.
But I'm not wrong. This is great. All right, after doing a little day trip, 4th of July, we've got the families loaded up. They're off doing a bathroom break. They're somewhere out there. Where are we at, Mike?
Prescott National Forest.
All right, awesome.
You know, do a little day trip, hang out, cook some dinner, watch some fireworks. Sounds like a good time, huh?
Yeah, hopefully it's not crazy busy up here right now.
Probably is.
Didn't really see any traffic, but I think that's because we're in the in-between spot.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we didn't leave Friday night. We kind of left Saturday afternoon.
Well, we didn't leave in the rush hour of
Yeah.
people trying to get out of the valley.
Yeah.
You know, try to find that in-between sweet spot, try to find a spot so we can just hang out and have a barbecue. And
Yeah, we're not staying overnight. We're just going to hang out, catch the fireworks from Watson Lake. I guess Rachel has a family cabin in the area.
yeah, we may get there or we may find another lookout. Just roll with it, chill back, relax day.
So cool seeing all the flags coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody's got their 4th of July out,
Yeah,
celebrating all our freedoms and liberties. It's great. Love it.
it's awesome. It's awesome. Stay tuned for more.
All right, so we literally just got up here to the woods to our spot. Not even set up, nothing out. We just got up here set up. All of a sudden, I've got a check engine light on my truck. What does that mean? And Mike can't get his truck to turn back on. So we're gonna try and jump it, see what happens. It literally will not even turn on. Makes no sense. We've been driving for an hour and a half to get up here. Literally makes no sense. How does this happen? All right, there we go. Dead battery. Dead battery.
Tell you what, that's why it's always better to drive in a pair. So I always take 2 vehicles. You're safer, more reliable. Like I only have 1 battery. That was it. Done. We're out here stranded. I'm also buying one of them jumper packs too. Forget this.
Dude, that should been an issue. I mean, that's not been an issue. That's been a need since day one.
Everything's been a need.
We need to get one of those jackeries or whatever they're called.
We need a jump pack.
Jump pack, power source, solar panels.
Yeah.
New tires, new suspension, new tent.
Think about it. You think about it, you're out here on your own, camping, and you just do that situation without anyone else to help you, toast.
So you're either walking back to the next town,
or calling someone to help me.
And you're gonna put them out of their way.
Yeah.
As well as waiting crazy amount of hours for them to come here and get you.
Jump pack. It's going in the truck.
Jump pack and also tools. Moral of the story, have tools, right?
Well, they ain't the prettiest tools. People are gonna make fun of it and look like...
It don't matter. Look at this. You gotta have tools. You never know what you're gonna get into.
Never know. Find a battery when I get back.
She has no room. So yeah, unfortunately, Mike's truck, his alternator went bad, looks like. So we're gonna have to be going slow all the way down the hill. Just Michael, imagine if you were out here alone with your family. You know,
What would happen?
you guys would be waiting for your dad to come get you. Solid 2-3 hours, maybe.
I know.
You know, you'd probably get gas, get coffee on the way up.
Get a cheeseburger?
Yeah, get a burger. Probably, he might even go fishing on his way. Who knows? I love you. You guys having fun? Can't lose out. You having fun, Scott? We're watching movies. We're having fun.
I know, right?
No babies
Yay!
yet. No babies yet. That would be great. That would be amazing. All right, it's getting serious. We better turn it off.
I want to see how this thing gets going once we get off.
What's the speed?
Yeah. Hey, Rachel, go ahead and call Dad and have him come up.
You sure, buddy? All right. All right, so there you go. There's the plan. We're just gonna... Oh, that car coming. Pulled off the side of the road. Waiting for help to come. The Tacoma is not gonna make it. We're on the asphalt now at least. So that's good. Yeah, the kids are inside. Yep. They're passed out. Hey girls, chilling out. Watch the movie. Okay. We got Mama's over here. She's ready for the baby. It's coming. She said it's moving. He's moving a lot.
Oh, he's moving a lot.
That's what she says.
But not contracting.
No
quite
contractions yet?
No.
All right, we're ready though. We got our nurse over here prepped and ready to rock and roll.
Yep.
We've got our beds. We got multiple beds to choose from. the rooftop tents, right? Hey, Daddy here is an outdoorsman.
Yeah.
He brings his boys in the real world the right way.
Yeah, hard pass.
And there he goes. The hound dogs. The little beacons. They're good dogs. They listen. I shock them.
They're good dogs. They listen. I shock them. So good.
We're waiting on David to get here. We're gonna try and let a Tacoma tow another Tacoma. See how that works out. That'll be fun.
We're not towing.
Oh, we're not towing?
We're leaving the truck here. Don't call it tow company.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're back here next morning. We loaded up everybody out of the Tacoma, loaded the gear out, parked it here overnight. We got to replace the alternator. That's what Michael figured out was wrong, so to get the alternator replaced, we're just gonna do it here on site. Unfortunately, Ford will not be able to tow the Tacoma out of here. We're gonna drive it out.
He's so upset about that right now.
I wanted to get that shot, just just helping them out.
Yeah, yeah.
I just want to help you out, show off. Anyway, so we're gonna replace the alternator, get it up and running. You pretty excited for this, Mike?
Yeah, we'll get it knocked out pretty quick.
It's just an alternator, nothing big, nothing crazy.
Nah. It's good.
What's he doing?
Being dad.
Nobody knows?
Just being dad.
Nobody knows?
He's just dad.
Hey Mike, you done yet? I'm still hungry. You watched the video one time, you should be good to go, right?
Damn near got it on. Leave him alone.
I mean, you're a certified mechanic. That's all mechanics do anyways.
There's no certified about anything,
right? What? Let's see if I got a snack in here. Like I should. What do you know? What do you know? Found some jerky. We're gonna just on the side of the road. We watched one video.
One YouTube
video.
Hey, YouTube certified.
YouTube certified. How much money do you think it would have cost in the shop?
I have no idea.
$1,000? Probably.
No.
$800 at least. You go to an actual dealership, yes. $800.
$400.
You go there for an oil change, it's $100.
Well, that's your first mistake. Why would you go to a dealer for an oil change?
I just see the receipts on the repair orders.
You know where I go to get
well,
an
I
oil change?
get mine for a good deal.
I get mine at a great deal. But here's my oil change.
Right. Steinman and Sons oil change.
Yeah.
Steinman and Sons lube and tube.
Lube and tube. Lube and tube.
And we're also tour guides, area experts.
We're no experts in nothing.
We got visitors coming up and down.
Yep. They said, look at these guys. They have all this knowledge to share. So they want.
You don't even live up here, and you know this area better than residents. Watched one YouTube video. Got this puppy installed pretty much, about 90% of the way there. You gotta know this stuff.